This tutorial today is going to show you how to migrate a quiz from your legacy Canvas quizzes into Quizzes.Next. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make sure that your Quizzes.Next is turned on. So the best way to do that is to come over here, go to Settings. So when you go to Settings, you just need to make sure we go to Feature Options. Okay, and as you can see here, Quizzes.Next is turned on. It's toggled on. If you see this blue X, that means it is not on. The green check mark means it is on. Okay, so once we've made sure that Quizzes.Next is turned on, we go to Quizzes. This will show you a listing of all your legacy quizzes. You can see that it has the rocket ship there. All of these quizzes that are published, then when we come to these snowman dots, if we click here, they have this migrate button. So if we click on migrate, this is migration in progress. And we're just going to go ahead and do all of them. And that way they're already moved for me. And once these are in Quizzes.Next, we'll be able to access them one right after the other. You can see I'm getting notifications from my email here, which is right smack in the way. So anyway, there you go. You can see that it also gives you an email when you are done migrating the quiz. So in any case, that's a real simple process, and obviously we'd want to double check our work. So if you remember, Quizzes.Next essentially puts things in as an assignment. Okay, so the way that we can check these now is if I go over here to assignments, there will be a new category here called imported quizzes, or sorry, migrated quizzes rather, and you can see that all of those are here. Under the migrated quizzes category, you can see that they also all come in unpublished. Okay, so let's say, for example, that I wanted to use one of those. I can come over here to my modules, and let's say, for example, that I wanted to add one of those quizzes into the last module here, potentially, even though actually wouldn't in this case, but just to show you. So here they show up here under migrated quizzes. So then I can add any of those to the module just by simply clicking on them. Go add item, and now I added, in this case, the chapter 1 quiz into this module. Once again, it is not published. If I do want to publish it, I simply just click there, but in this instance I don't, because this is a real class with students. But in any case, that is how you simply migrate quizzes from the legacy quizzes into Quizzes.Next, and then that would be how you would know how to locate them and use them from that point going forward.